unveiled here in Nairobi, the LG Mirror InstaView. I need you guys to be more happy. Come on. Wapi kelele, wapi makofi. There you go. The LG Mirror InstaView. This will truly revolutionize the game. You get a chance to see yourself. All of you will get a chance to test out the product. But there it is. Okay, Mr. President. Real quick, let's demonstrate. There you go. You knock, there you go. So I don't know if you noticed. Oh, first of all, thank you Biofoods for filling up our fridge there. All right, my darling ushers, I need you back, please. My darling ushers, back on stage. All right, so I need you to pull it back just a bit. 1 second, please make sure. Sophisticated as they are, they also get goodies for free. And just like every to the market every day. My apologies for that. But like as I was saying, the freshness just lasts and lasts. So you don't have to keep on going to shop. I have to tell you some ground rules just to lay it out. Of course I don't need to tell you. You don't need to smoke. Where you are registering to come in, there's a place you can register right there, and I'm okay with that. And speaking of pictures and videos, please take out your phones today. No one. And you came here looking so fly, so gorgeous. William was the buyer. Okay, sorry. That's good. Okay, so everyone, please take out this one. Will be taking place, and the world does not know. The rest of Nairobi cannot just yes. That's true. What is happening? Don't just have you here. Now we sent out that it's honestly, it's fine. Some of you came straight from the office. I understand it would have been the outfits. I hear you. Okay, so now this is what we're going to do. I believe in you. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to come down there. Each there. Okay. Gray at the back. Not a single person, but this table. Well, let's pick one person. Okay, not from this table. Are we nominating one person? Yeah. Who are we nominating? Type.
She dreams I hope that someday I'll chase. Your mystic keeps going some life, fighting against all